Do you ever feel like your body has a mind of its own when it comes to odor? It can be embarrassing, right? But what if I told you that some simple natural remedies could help eliminate that pesky problem? Stick around because today we're exploring the top 5 natural home remedies for body odor. Body odor is not just a personal issue, it's something many of us deal with daily. Whether it's a result of sweating, stress, or diet, understanding how to manage it can boost your confidence and improve your interactions with others. The best part? These remedies are natural, effective, and can be easily found right in your kitchen. Let's kick things off with our first remedy, baking soda. This common kitchen staple is a superhero against body odor. It neutralizes sweat and helps absorb moisture. Just mix a couple of teaspoons with water to create a paste, apply it to your underarms, and rinse off in about 10 minutes. Want to know how often to do this? You'll be surprised how effective consistent use can be. Next up is apple cider vinegar. Sounds incredible, right? This pungent liquid might seem strange, but it's a game changer. With its natural antimicrobial properties, it balances the pH level of your skin. Just dab a little on a cotton ball and apply it to the areas that usually get problematic. Feel any tingling? That's just the good stuff working. But wait, have you ever heard of tea tree oil? It's not just for skincare. It has impeccable antibacterial properties that can help keep odor at bay. Just mix a few drops in your moisturizer or directly with a carrier oil, rub it on your underarms, and watch the magic unfold. It's fascinating how nature provides these solutions. We can't talk about natural remedies without mentioning lemon juice. This citrus fruit's natural acidity can work wonders. Not only does it help eliminate odor, but it also brightens up your skin. Simply rub a slice of lemon on your underarms, leave it for a few minutes, and rinse. And here's a bonus tip. It can also double as a natural deodorizer for your refrigerator. Lastly, let's explore the goodness of coconut oil. Beyond its fabulous flavor in cooking, this oil acts as a natural deodorant. Its antibacterial properties help prevent bacteria from causing odor. Just massage a small amount into your underarms, and you're good to go. Curious how these remedies stack up against commercial brands? Keep watching to find out. As we wrap up, remember, dealing with body odor doesn't have to be embarrassing. With these simple, effective home remedies, you can naturally tackle the issue head-on. Thank you for tuning in. If you found these tips helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share your own remedies in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Health Alert Remedies, so you never miss out on our natural wellness tips. See you next time.